How is it that time again already? Mother's Day in the UK approaches quickly, so if you're looking for some ideas of what you can do to make this year special for her, then you've come to the right place. We've been busily adding some great new products to our range on the school to take your makes from just beautiful things to stunning usable accessories. And as you and I both know, our mothers are not all the same. So we will be showing you how to make not one, not two, but 3 outcomes which can be styled up however she likes. As if that wasn't enough, we will be using the ever gorgeous Organdie rose as today's model, kits for which come in 5 colours. First up, for the mums who like to keep their options open, we have the long bar pin, which is a particularly great combination with the Organdie rose. This is because you can take the wire and attach it to the pin by gently weaving the wire into the sieve of the pin. So if you finished your rose and are feeling done with sewing, then this could be the solution for you. This gives you the flexibility to easily remove the rose from the pin and restyle it in another outcome later, should you so wish. Alternatively, you can of course sew it into place by making a little base out of the wire first and then securing it into the holes of the sieve. Now it can easily be worn as a brooch pin, or pop it onto a bag strap or into a hat ribbon as the weather starts to warm up. As a side note, it also makes for a rather beautiful buttonhole, if I do say so myself. Secondly, for the stylish polished mums, we have a hair barrette. Again, for versatility, you can just attach it to the barrette with the wire, wrapping it tightly around the upper bar of the barrette and securing it into one of the holes at the sides. Be sure to centre the flower, but to wrap the wire in both directions away from the centre for stability. As before, you could also sew it into place by wrapping the thread around the top part of the barrette for a more permanent solution. All she's missing now is a French twist for it to sit into, and voila! Finally, if you have a special occasion coming up, sometimes simplicity is the best, and all you need for this is a length of ribbon to turn your flower into a corsage. Using the wire, wrap it around your finger to make a sturdy little base, being sure to tuck the ending cleanly. Take your length of ribbon, approximately 85 centimetres, cut the ends at a nice angle and singe lightly to seal the ends. Thread the ribbon into the base you created and tie a slip knot, then wrap the long end around the rest of the wire to cover it and tie another slip knot. Place and wrap around the wrist, going around both sides of the flower for stability, and tie again with another couple of slip knots into place and arranging your ribbon ends to look pretty. Trim and singe again if necessary. We hope that's given you a little gift inspiration. Whether you can be with your mum this year or not, be sure to send her a little love. Some of our other online flower classes are particularly good if you need to send something in the post. These chiffon roses, Valentino roses and blooming peonies all travel really well. Wishing you all a happy Mother's Day wherever you are from the London Embroidery School.